Okay, so I started cleaning up the Z-axis, and I took off the two motor mount. The Z-axis spindle motor. Actually, the spindle motor is attached through these two threaded holes, and these blocks these assemblies, I should say, are screwed here. And there's one on both sides, and I'd like to show you how they are made. Yeah, so let me get you closer. Maybe something like this. Okay, so what I like about them, these are aluminum blocks. They're they're really quite simple, and you have these little steel kind of bushings with O-rings, and you have one O-ring on top like this, and exactly same thing on the other side, and the bolt that goes through. So this is for vibration dampening, but you still have you know, a pretty precise alignment while keeping the vibration down. And what I like very much about these is that all that you have to change are the O-rings. So you can see, I don't think, as far as I know, they've never been changed. I don't really know, but for sure my boss never changed them. And as you can see, there is some deformation, but not that much. So and these are very inexpensive, so for sure I will replace them all. Yeah, so that's it. Very clever, I think, the way this is built. I'm really quite pleased. So now you know if if your spindle motor and pulley is maybe a bit out of alignment, maybe you just have to change the O-rings and you're good to go. Hopefully, anyway. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.